Hello friends, today we will talk about this pump fitting some important parts. This one I'm showing you. This is our voice trainer in this pump fitting. Why we use this voice trainer? What's the use of this voice trainer? We will discuss that. We use this voice trainer only when this water comes from the main line and goes through this voice trainer. We use this voice trainer to protect any unwanted substance, like when dirt comes through this water and this voice trainer, it passes only clean water through this point, and the dirt in this water gets accumulated here, and then thoroughly we can clean this voice trainer sometime when we feel that water is not coming, then we clean this. And why? Because this dirt accumulates here and clean water goes here, and all these other substances, for example we have PRV, then we have ball valve, then we have solenoid valve also. This is our solenoid valve. So this protects all these things. So the work use of voice trainer is only to remove the unwanted substance, to remove the dirt from the water and pass the clean water only. Then we have PRV, pressure regulating valve. What is the use of this valve? The use of the PRV is when this water comes from this that point, this main line. Sometimes we have sometimes high pressure water comes through it. When the water comes, it has very high pressure, and the PRV, pressure regulating valve, what it does, it regulates the pressure. When this high pressure water comes through this point, then through this point it regulates it, it slows down its pressure, and then water goes through this with normal pressure. So we use this only to regulate the pressure, to slow down the pressure of this water, so that the other things we can protect. For example, if high pressure water comes, it may damage our solenoid valve also. So that's why we use this. Then we have this solenoid valve in the pump fitting also. What is the use of the solenoid valve? For example, when the water comes through this point and your washer is running, and for example our tank is full with water, this solenoid valve, it is a kind of sensor. It gives the command inside and it close down here. We have here, we will connect this wire also. We have this wire here. We connect this wire to the panel, and what happens when this tank goes full with water, it gives command to this sensor, and here it gets closed and further water will not go inside the tank. So this is the work of this solenoid valve. And then we have other things also, like this union. Why we install union? Because for example, if we have to do maintenance in this, then we can easily open it. That's why we use this union. We have union everywhere. This line also, this line here in the pump section also, we have here also, and here also. So we use, and the use of this ball valve is to on and off, to open and close the water. For example, if we need the water, then we put it on. If we don't need the water, we have enough, then simply we close it. So this is the use of these important things.